And deeper into the woods we go. Again, we need to figure out the net force on one of the charges, but now they are not on one line. Let us concentrate on this charge for ease. And the reason why this is easier is because the two forces on that charge are going to be perpendicular to each other. 7 nanocoulombs, which is our charge, is going to be attracted to negative 9 nanocoulombs pretty strongly. It will be repelled by the 3 nanocoulombs. And although 3 nanocoulombs is 3 times smaller, but it also is closer somewhat. So I'm just going to draw a smaller, slightly smaller force. So this is the force on 7 by 3, and this is the force on 7 by 9. Okay, so those are the two forces we need to figure out. 8, 9, 9, 10 to the 9th for Kc. That we have 9 and 7 multiplied by each other is 63, and then times 10 to the negative 18, because they're both nanocoulombs. So 7 times 10 to the negative 9 times 9 times 10 to the negative 9 times 10 to the negative 18th over the distance between them is 40 centimeters, so it's 0.4. When I square that, it's 0.16. So that is one force. And then force on 7 by 3. By the same token, we get our 8, 9, 9, 10 to the 9th. 3 times 7 is 21. Again, 10 to the negative 18 they are. And the distance between them is 0.3, so it's going to be 0.09 when I square that. 10 to the 9th and 10 to the negative 18th cancels, that cancels. So that's negative 9, and that's negative 9. So plugging things into the calculator, 899 times 63 over 0.16 gives me 3.5 times 10 to the 3rd. And then I have to remember that this is times 10 to the negative 9th. Altogether, 3.5, 10 to the negative 6. 8.99 times 21 over 0.09 is giving me 2.1, again 10 to the 3rd, and 10 to the negative 9th, because of nanocoulombs gets me 2.1, 10 to the negative 6th. So both of these are newtons. Both of them are 10 to the negative 6, so micronewtons, and I'm after this, which will be our net force, which is the hypotenuse in the right triangle, newtons. And the last thing I need to figure out, I'm going to go for this angle to the vertical. So theta is going to be inverse tangent of opposite over adjacent. Opposite is 2.1, adjacent is 3.6. That gets me, I believe, 31 degrees. Let me double check real quick. 2.1 over 3.5. Indeed, 31 degrees. There you go. That is your answer to this question where we were looking for a net force on the 7 nanocoulombs at the right angle of the triangle given to us.